Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images in Midjourney and we can edit our pics in Midjourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on plus icon and this small pop-up will come. We have to click on upload a file and we have to choose picture that we want to edit or use as a reference image. After choosing the picture, we have to click on open and now we have to hit enter or click and your picture will be uploaded here. Here is our picture. We have to click on it, right click, copy image address or copy link, both are same. So we have to click copy image address and our link will be copied. Now come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. We have to paste our link here. So with the help of control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write prompt here. So here is our prompt and you can see and read digital painting style, glasses, drawing inspiration from films like Blade Runner and the cyberpunk genre, highly realistic 8K. And we have to click or hit enter and we will see that what Midjourney will give us results. So here are our four pictures that Midjourney has given us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. According to their number, U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these picture, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. Mean U1, U2, U3, U4. But if you want four more variations, any of this picture, so you have to click V1 to V4. V1, V2, V3, V4. And this is reroll. If you will click on reroll, then it will give you four more pictures. But let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality. So here is our picture 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's all up to you whichever you want to upscale or want more 4 variations. You have to choose picture and then come here, click on V1. We want 4 more variations of this picture. So when we will click on V1, Midjourney will provide us these 4 more results. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. In new tab, we will see the full quality and it's taking a little time. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's all up to you. If you want to upscale, now you have to choose any of these picture and click on U1 to U4. In this case, we will click on U2, mean we want this picture upscale. So after clicking on U2, we will get this final result. If you want more variations, click on make variations and let me open it in a new tab. I wish this video will help you to edit your own pics in Midjourney. If you have any queries, you can comment.